Commendable, that's how FirstRand described its half-year performance. The lenders posted an 11% rise in headline earnings per share, driven by good top-line growth, with net interest income up 8%. Now, that uptick was supported by solid momentum in advances and deposits. CEO Mary Vilagazi says the performance comes despite the ongoing global macroeconomic and geopolitical challenges, and that the group's diversified portfolio all delivered growth and improved returns. FirstRand declared a dividend of 259 cents, which is 18% higher than the prior period. Impala Platinum's posted a five-fold increase in interim headline earnings per share, driven by higher metal prices. The miner says this performance, coupled with a robust balance sheet and prevailing market conditions, allowed it to declare an interim dividend of R4.10 per share. Now, that payout, which equates to 3.7 billion rand, is double Impala's stated dividend policy. Looking ahead, Impala Platinum expects the PGM rally to continue, saying each of the platinum, palladium and rhodium markets is expected to record successive supply deficits in 2026. And that, along with global geopolitical uncertainty, indicates that the key drivers underpinning recent pricing strength are unlikely to dissipate fully in the medium term. MultiChoice will shut down its Showmax streaming service. The move forms part of efforts to rein in costs and cut loss-making units. The future of Showmax, which launched in 2015, had been in question since French broadcaster Canal Plus took over Africa's largest paid TV provider in September. The group says it can no longer carry the heavy investment associated with Showmax. It's also indicated that the move will not result in job losses. AdvTech flagged higher annual profit. Private education investor says its headline earnings per share should increase by at least 14%. It's added that 2026 student enrollment is on track and continues to grow in line with recent trends. The company is set to open its books later this month. Sticking with the education space, Stadio says its headline earnings per share for the year to end December could register an increase of up to 27.7%. The private higher education provider says, or rather has not shared detail around what's driven that increase, but more information should be provided when it presents its results in 2 weeks' time. Greencoat Renewables plans to buy back up to 100 million euros of its shares over the next year. That's as its stock trades below the estimated value of its wind and solar assets. The Dublin-based energy investor announced the plan alongside its 2025 results. Greencoat generated nearly 115 million euros in cash last year, which is 18.6% lower than in 2024. And its net asset value per share declined by 10%. Chair Ronan Murphy says the group delivered a solid performance despite low wind volumes across Europe.